Okay, we've arrived at the start of today's adventure. Aboriginal Hands track and art paintings. Let's get on up here and find the track. This looks like where we go in. From here we walk. This is where we've got to walk, I think. This must be the parking area. Yes, that looks like you walk up there. I have been here before, a long time ago. Alright guys, we'll go up and show you what's there. Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel Adventure. Now I'm here at this little adventure. I'm going to go up here to the cave where the Aboriginals did a lot of artwork. And it's like if you turn around up there, we've got to go up these steps. Looks like it's a little arduous. Okay, onward. Okay, now I've just climbed up the hill, all those steps, and now we're in amongst the rocks. It looks like we have to go around through here and find the Aboriginal artwork. So as they say, carry on. It looks like maybe over there. We might be getting there. Down through the scrub. We seem to have a bit of a blank canvas here. Keep going. From memory, it's further around. Very picturesque. Look at the rocks up there. Sorry about my breathing. My lungs aren't what they used to be. Look at the ferns. Even little waterfalls here. Down through that gap up there. Sorry guys, what I saw years ago appears to have disappeared. There's just very faint hands. Looks like time has erased it all. what I do have, I believe, I have photos from way back many years ago I will include when it was better. Yeah, down here there's some boomerang hand, more hands there. There's another hand. And down there. But a lot of them are gone. I think the rocks peeled off, taking them with it. One thing that national parks have done, they've made a nice picnic area here. There's tables, like a campground over there. There's another picnic table way up in there. But the only thing is, as I said, I wanted to show you some indigenous art which apparently seems to have gone with time. So I am sure I have some better photos from like 30 years ago. And I'll either include them as a slideshow as you see, big rocks. And that's a track that goes on further on out towards Lithgow. Well, as I say, sorry guys, I thought I'd show you something interesting. I come all the way here, and it's supposed to be a tourist attraction, and there's just nothing here anymore. Oh well, I'll see what I can get together and put it up for you. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye.